wonderful hybrid camera. You've learned about the photography side, videography, filmmaking side. I would say there's 5 key points, and that is you've got high frame rates, 4K, 50p or 60p in the camera, and we've also got 180 frames per second at FHD in the camera. It's very, very good quality, very usable. We can mix and match with normal standard rate footage. We've got 422 10-bit. That gives us over 1 billion colors to grade and play with. Yeah, you've only got 16.7 million at 8-bit. Still a lot, but with 1 billion and the advance of 10-bit technology in TVs, monitors, etc., people are now beginning to see the real difference in 10-bit over 8-bit. And this camera does 422 10-bit internally, so better tonality, as I said, more colors to choose from, very rich in color, and better chroma subsampling. The reds and chroma red, chroma blue means that you're getting much better pictures than ever before, much better than the GH4. And then you've got 6K photo mode, which gives you 18.7 megapixel images to be extrapolated in camera from 30 frames per second at a near 6K aspect ratio, in the 4:3 aspect ratio, or 3:2. Incredible imagery, which you can actually print up to A2. Yeah, that looks really good. 30 frames per second. That's a better burst speed than a lot of other cameras out there on the market. Then you've also got 60 frames per second at 4K photo mode. So another incredible advancement there. We can do 60 frames and print out to A3, A4, A3, really good quality, 8.7 megapixel images. We can also use the 6K photo mode, which I'm doing here, for anamorphic cinema lenses. Using that 4:3 aspect ratio, I've got a higher definition in pixel count than the Arri Alexa. Yeah, a camera which costs 60,000, 70,000 pounds or more in the cinema world, we're doing that on a camera which is much less. So much less, as you're going to be aware. But it works very, very well. I'll just quickly turn that on to show you the imagery. From a 4:3 sensor, the Academy aspect ratio, we are now being able to ×2 de-squeeze. So you can see here, we're a bit low on battery, squeezing on the 4:3 aspect, we're de-squeezing, and you can see how wide, we're like CinemaScope. We can produce CinemaScope looking imagery on a GH5, incredible. We've also got what's called a lookup table. We can put looks, like color grades, we can load them into the camera, yeah? Either in camera, and it's called Vlog Assist. So with that Vlog, if you do buy the Vlog upgrade, you get Vlog Assist. It means you can load a look, or like a Rec 709 broadcast style LUT, or your own developed looks and LUTs, and you can actually see what you're going to get, how you'd see it in the studio once you've done all the editing. You can actually see it up front, so you can actually pre-grade